Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again. And in my previous video, The Only Knot You Need to Know, I demonstrated a noose knot like this. Now, a lot of people were quick to comment to say that this is not a noose knot and in fact a slip knot. Was I wrong? Well, actually, we were both right, and here's why. So here's the difference between the noose knot and the slip knot. This is a noose knot, and this is a slip knot. Okay, not really, but here's the actual difference. First, let's look at the slip knot. A slip knot is tied by forming a loop and then passing a bight made from the running end through the loop. Cinch and firm up the knot. You now have a slip knot because when you pull on the tail end of the knot, it slips and becomes undone. This slip knot can even be used in conjunction with other knots as a stopper knot quick release pin, such as with the clove hitch or half hitch. Now, getting to the noose knot, when a lot of people think of the noose knot, they envision something like this. This is the hangman's noose, which although functions somewhat similarly, is not the same as the noose knot. Now, the noose knot is tied by forming a loop like before, but this time we're going to pass a bight from the standing end through the loop and then cinch and firm up the knot. Now when I pull on the tail end, the knot does not come undone. But when I pull on the standing end, the loop begins to cinch closed. A noose is defined as a loop at the end of a rope in which the loop tightens under load and can be loosened without untying the knot. And as you can see, this knot now fits those characteristics. It can be used for things like animal snares or to trap small game and whatnot. So a very simplified way of looking at these two knots is that they are tied in a very similar way, but when you pull on the load end of a slip knot, it does not tighten. You can pull on the tail end to release the knot. Pulling on the load end of a noose knot causes the loop to tighten, and when you pull on the tail end, it does not release the knot. So I hope that clears things up between the difference of a noose knot and a slip knot. Common misconception that I overlooked and did not fully explain before. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. As always, a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters who make videos like this possible. If you want access to exclusive content and the Weavers of Eternity Discord and want to support the channel directly, please feel free to check out my Patreon page. Link in the video as well as down below. You can join for as little as $3 a month. You can also support the channel by liking the video, commenting, and subscribing. If you enjoyed the content here, please feel free to check out what I have to offer on the rest of my channel.